A warm welcome to the tutorial for the microScan3 configuration tool. In this introduction, we will give you a quick overview of the microScan3 configuration tool, its features and a few examples. Before we start with the features, I will give you some key facts about the microScan3 configuration tool. The microScan3 configuration tool was designed to configure up to 2 laser scanners for safeguarding freely accessible robot applications. You can either use the SICK laser scanner microScan3 Pro Finet or microScan3 Pro IO without EFI Pro. The software tool is running on a Windows-based PC, and it's compatible with SWIFTI and GoFa robots from ABB. The target applications are free accessible stationary robot applications. Let's have a look at the main features. The microScan3 configuration tool allows you an easy and quick configuration of 1 or 2 protective fields around your robot. The protective fields will be adapted automatically to your application environment. You also have the option to draw in artificial walls, which represent plexiglass or fences, where the laser scanner is looking through while scanning your application environment. In addition, the tool offers a calculation guide for the calculation of the correct safety distances according to ISO 13855. You can also display different signals of your laser scanner, which can be helpful for troubleshooting. The configuration tool is compatible with 3 different robots. The SWIFTI CRB 1100 and SWIFTI CRB 1300 are robots with no force and power limitation, but with a safety-rated monitored speed and a safe stop. With every SWIFTI robot, a SICK laser scanner package is sold. In comparison, the GoFa robot has force and power limitation, a safety-rated monitored speed, and also a safe stop. Here the SICK laser scanner package is sold optional. The SICK laser scanner package includes the laser scanner itself, cables, brackets to install the laser scanner, the configuration tool software, and an operational instruction. Which application modes can be configured? There are 2 types of application modes available within the software. On the left side you can see the so-called intermittent collaboration mode. This one is working for SWIFTI and GoFa robots. It has 2 protective fields. The outer protective field is the so-called warning area, and the inner one, the protecting area. When the warning area is infringed, the speed monitoring is triggered, and the robot slows down its speed. As soon as the protecting area is infringed, the standstill monitoring is triggered, and the robot stops. On the right side we can see the cooperation mode. This mode works only for GoFa robots. It has only 1 protective field. As soon as it gets infringed, the speed monitoring and the force monitoring are triggered, and the robot slows down its speed to a collaborative speed. Now that we know the features, compatible robots, and the 2 different application modes, let's have a look at a few application examples which could be configured with the tool. This is an example about loading and unloading a CNC machine. The laser scanner is installed in front of the robot. We have 2 protective fields here since a SWIFTI robot is used, but a GoFa robot would also be possible. On the left side, we have installed a fence. We have 1 open side where the worker can enter, so only 1 safety laser scanner is needed. If the first protective field is infringed, the speed monitoring is triggered, and the robot slows down its speed. The so-called tool speed supervision is activated. If the second protective field is infringed, the robot will be stopped, and the so-called standstill supervision is activated. In example 2, we can see a machine with a feeding and outfeeding line. We also have a laser scanner in front of the robot with 2 protective fields. The robot picks an object from the feeding line and brings it to the machine, and after operating it puts the object on the outfeeding line. We have 3 open sides where the operator can enter. These sides need to be protected by the protective fields. This example shows an assembly cell or quality inspection with a part storage. On the left and upper side a fence is mounted. We have 2 open sides where the worker can enter. These sides need to be protected by the protective fields. The laser scanners can either be mounted on the parts storage corners if it's a fixed table, or at the fence side. Thank you for watching this introduction of the microScan3 configuration tool. If you would like to know how to work with the software, have a look in our other short tutorial videos. Enjoy the rest of your day.